Proton Mail and Tutanota are two of the most trusted names in secure email, both built for people who care deeply about privacy. For creators, that means protecting client conversations, drafts, and personal projects from unwanted access. Proton Mail was founded in Switzerland, known for strong privacy laws, while Tutanota is based in Germany and runs entirely on renewable energy. Both offer end-to-end encryption, but they take different approaches to balancing usability and security. Proton Mail focuses on a polished experience and ecosystem of tools, while Tutanota aims for absolute encryption and simplicity. Proton Mail stands out for its versatility. It offers a sleek interface, custom domains for personal branding, and integration with other Proton services like Drive, Calendar, and VPN. The encryption is strong, using open-source protocols, and users can send encrypted messages even to people outside the platform. Proton's Bridge tool allows you to use it with standard email clients, which makes it convenient for creators who already have an established workflow. However, Proton Mail does not encrypt subject lines, and its premium plans can get expensive if you need multiple custom addresses or storage. Tutanota takes a slightly different route. It focuses entirely on privacy by encrypting nearly everything, including subject lines, attachments, and address book entries. The platform is open source and designed to collect as little user data as possible. It does not rely on third-party integrations, which enhances security but limits flexibility. The interface is clean and functional, and its free plan is generous for basic use. Tutanota's main drawback is that it lacks full support for external mail clients and some advanced collaboration tools. For creators who prefer minimalism and total encryption, though, it's a strong choice. If you need an all-in-one privacy suite with a familiar interface and business-friendly features, Proton Mail is the better fit. It blends usability with high-level security and fits well into a creator's professional setup. If your priority is maximum privacy with minimal data exposure, Tutanota offers a more stripped-down but highly secure option. Both services protect your work far better than mainstream email providers, so your choice depends on whether you value flexibility and tools or simplicity and pure privacy.